awesome person, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, that's awesome, then just welcome to my channel. My name is Joy, I do unboxings, makeup try-ons, and occasionally I throw something else in to keep you on your toes. And today, if you'd like to see how I came up with this look, then stay tuned. Hi, today I want to do round 2 with my hard candy palette, because I really like it, and I do want to see if I can get it a little bit darker. I already did my brows with my Trestique mini brow pencil in Armacano, I think is the name of it. And then I primed my eyes with my Morphe eye primer, because last time was no primer. But surprisingly, I went shopping that day and I got like half a dozen comments for as light as the colors came out. People actually still noticed them. So I don't know if it was the shiny part or if everybody's right and I just look better in lighter colors and neutrals. But I like to play with dark colors. I think since I'm wearing like a yellow orange, like I normally don't do this, but I love this freaking outfit, so I'm gonna step back for a little bit and show you. So this is my shirt that has like the leopard print and stuff in it, and then these are my pants. I love leopard print. Love it. So, now that I was all awkward and showed you guys my clothes, okay, let's go in with a look now. Alright, so I'm going to start this off with a sink. I'm going to start it off with this color right here to use as my base. And I'm using my BH number 6 brush. And let's get positioned. Sorry. And then I'm going to tappity tap. Oops. Don't do that. It's not supposed to go on your cheeks unless you're playing with like Halloween makeup. Alright. And then we're going to blend. So this is the last video. I'll be mentioning the collab video, but this is also the last day you can enter into the collab video giveaway. So if you have not done that yet, if you are new here, then please go check it out if you have a United States mailing address, and all the rules are in the video. And then I think I want to go ahead and with this color here, coming untaped. I should just move them out of there, but I'm weird. So far, I think I'm liking this a little bit better. Just gonna tap that in there. I'm gonna go ahead and get a little more. I do feel like it's coming out a lot darker than without the primer. Which is awesome, because I've been noticing that, at least with the palettes that I own, that if I can't get that palette to work with by itself, then if I use an eye primer, then it normally works really well. So y'all keep that in mind if you don't use primers for your eyes, that maybe you should. Look at that. So is it just me, or do you guys think that it's coming on darker? I think it's coming out darker. And the next shade I'm going to use is going to be this shade right here. And I've just been using the same brush and cleaning it off with my switch in between. I'll put that here. I know I kind of do the same looks. I do once in a while halos and cut creases, but this is the look that I like the most. So you tend to like something and go with it all the time, you know what I mean? I am really liking this a lot better now that I have a primer on. But the best thing is I can even wear this without my primer and just go for a more lighter colored look. That's more of a neutral look, and I think everything will be fine. And then the final color that I'll be using is going to be this one right here. And I am super pleased with the way this is turning out this time. I am trying to match the colors to my shirt, and I normally don't do that. I normally could give two craps if my eye look matches my clothing, but I thought maybe it might be a little fun. All those colors kind of look the same, don't they? Oh, they were going to be different. I don't know if I like that. I wonder if there's another color I can use. Well, I already started using this color, so I'm going to have to finish it off. I may have to go back in. Yeah, let me do that really quick. They look different colors in the pan, so let me put that on there again. I think maybe I should have used the oranger color first because that seems to be darker, but oh well, we already messed it up, so we gotta go with it. Well, since that orange is kind of like popping and taking the glory, I'm gonna go back in with that brown color and see if I can build that up a little more. Oh yeah, it's gonna let me. Look at that. Because it definitely did not do what I wanted it to do. And I definitely don't want the corner of my eye to be darker than the back of my eye. Okay, now let's blend that baby out. And if you can tell, there is fallout, which, you know, that don't bother me any. Oh yeah, this is doing way better. Primer, ladies, even if you hate it like me, it seems to be eye primer is the thing that needs to be done to make your eyes turn out the way you want them to. But I'm always going to test it without primer and then primer because I'm just like that. Look who came to visit us. This is my Panther, and she's trying to eat my makeup again because she loves my makeup. I don't like me to take her away from my makeup. I don't understand. Her and Princess always be trying to eat my makeup. Loner don't even come near my makeup. Huh. Don't even come near my makeup. Oh. Here's my Princess. If you guys ain't met her yet. Here's my Princess. They were in the same litter, and she's like, nope, bye, I don't want no part of this. Nope, ain't doing it. Alright, Panther. You have got to let the mama finish what she's doing. I'll clean off that face, and I'm like loving this look. So I'm going to do that brown color again, go down here, and I'm gonna take that that lighter, I guess, orange, and put it under here. That brighter orange just kind of took the show away. But I thought it was the other way around. I thought I was using the bright orange first and then going to use the lighter orange. So either I'm colorblind or it's just really, really, really weird to make up. But I also want to go ahead with this color here. And just tappity tap it. And then come up here and kind of just spread it out a little bit. Because I like to do my whole eye. Looky, looky there. I think it looks good. And it's so much brighter. And it looks like it's going to be another fall look today. Alrighty, so this is my finished look. And I went ahead and I used my Big Fat Liner by Rockins. Of course, my Wander Beauty Mile High Club Mascara. And you guys, I'm back to using my Tarte mascara because you wanna know why? I put baby lotion in it. Baby lotion, a couple of drops. I remembered that my mom used to do that when we were younger, and I don't know if you're supposed to or not, but I put it in, and now I have mascara again instead of it being dry and not working, and I am so freaking happy. And then I decided to just use my ASAP and my half-baked instead of using the gloss with it, because I actually like this color by itself. It is a matte, it dries down, it stays all day. I think it looks super good with the gloss or without the gloss. So that is all I have for you today. I hope you have a wonderful day. Remain awesome. Peace.